Okay guys, welcome back to Edis TV. So today we will talking about Batak culture. This topic because I want to introduce to all of you guys that Indonesia have so many kinds of cultures and also clans. And today we will talking about one of them, that is Batak culture. So I want to dedicate this video for my friends. So I have a friend, a girl, a friend. She asked me to make a video about Batak culture. To make a video with Batak culture's content. Batak clan is one of the biggest clan in Indonesia. Most of Batak's people are live in North Sumatra, and the capital city of North Sumatra is Medan. Anak Medan, anak Medan. I didn't mean all of people who live in North Sumatra are Bataknis. And I also didn't mean there are no Bataknis lives outside North Sumatra. I just talking it by outline. Batak clan are divided into 6 kinds according to their places. The first one is Batak Mandailing, and the second is Batak Simalungun. The third is Batak Toba. The fourth is Batak Karo. The fifth is Batak Pakpak, and the last one is Batak Angkola. And today we will talking about one of them, that is Batak Toba. Batak Tobanis. So I think it will be most easiest to explain you about Batak Toba's culture, then explain about another clan's culture. Most of Batak Toba's people are live in North Tapanuli, and the district of North Tapanuli is Tarutung. But there are also some pupils of Batak Toba's clan live outside the North Tapanuli, and also the opposite. We heard word Toba. There is a very famous traditional story about Toba. It calls the legend of Toba Lake, but we won't talking about it today. I will tell you that story next time. There are 3 big lines or main points in Batak Toba's culture. The first one is Marga, or you also can say it family name. So we got the family name from our fathers. For example, my father's family name is Simanungkalit, so that automatically my family name is Simanungkalit also. And besides Simanungkalit, there are also some family name like Marbun, like Situmeang, Hutauruk, and etc. And the second is tradition, or you can say adat. Adat is the very most precious thing in Batak culture. So don't be surprised if you meet Batak's people. If they want to hold a ceremonial party, for example, birth ceremonial party, wedding ceremonial party, or even dead people ceremonial party, they won't be difficult to spend tens, millions, even hundreds of millions money in rupiah. In the Batak people's folk, the tradition or adat is the first priority, then another. So adat is the very precious thing in our mind, in Batak people's mind. First one is religion. Most of Batak people, their religion are Christians, and there are also another religions like Muslims, but there is a belief flow in Batak culture. We call it Parmalin. So the Parmalin people, or the people who believe in belief flow Parmalin, they didn't have any religion, even Christian, even Muslim or another, but they just believe in their forefathers' soul and pray for them. And they ask for they ask for blessing from their forefathers' soul. And in Batak Tobas culture, there are 3 special slogans, or we may call it 3 units, and in Batak we call it Dalihan Natolu. The first one is Sobamar Hula Hula, the second is Elek Marboru, and the third is Manat Mardongat Tubu. So these 3 slogans, or 3 units, or Dalihan Natolu, are the main points, are the frame in the traditions on Batak culture. Okay, so I think that's the main points, 3 main points in Batak cultures. The first one is marga, or family name. The second is tradition or adat, and the third is religion. Okay, that's all. I hope this video give the positive benefits to all of you guys, and I hope you can find a new knowledge from my video about Batak cultures, and we will talk about another thing in Batak cultures on the next video, so please wait for it. Guys, thank you for watching my videos. If you like it, give me your thumbs up, and you may share it with your family and friends, and you may also go to my channel to watch some more of my videos, and please don't forget to hit subscribe.